Welcome to our channel. Are you someone who wants to be creative content? Or are you someone who wants to make beautiful videos and images for your social media? If yes, then this video is ideal and perfect for you. In this video you see the introduction and working of this beautiful website, and I will tell you how you can make smarter videos and images. This video gives you a chance to make your life beautiful and creative. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to watch this video till the end. So stay tuned with us. Shutterstock.com is an online marketplace and stock photography agency that provides a vast collection of high-quality digital images, illustrations, vectors, videos, and music. It operates on a subscription-based model, allowing users to purchase licenses for various types of media to use in their creative projects, such as websites, advertisements, presentations, and more. Shutterstock's library contains millions of royalty-free images contributed by photographers, artists, and content creators from around the world. The platform offers a wide range of categories and themes, making it easy for users to find and download the specific visual content they need. Shutterstock.com is commonly used for several reasons. Extensive content library. Shutterstock has a vast collection of millions of images, illustrations, videos, and music tracks. It covers a wide range of subjects, themes, and styles, making it easier for users to find the right visual content for their specific needs. High-quality content. The platform is known for its high-quality content, contributed by skilled photographers, artists, and creators. The images and videos are professionally shot and edited, ensuring that they meet industry standards. Shutterstock curates collections of images and videos to highlight specific themes, trends, or popular topics. These collections make it easier for users to discover relevant content and stay up to date with current visual trends. Shutterstock offers a variety of tools and plugins that integrate with popular design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. These tools enable users to access and license Shutterstock content directly within the design workflow, saving time and enhancing productivity. Shutterstock provides a platform for photographers, artists, and content creators to contribute their work and earn royalties. The Contributor program allows talented individuals to showcase and sell their creations to a global audience. Now we show you how it works and its more beautiful contents. So first of all we talk about images, in which you see in the last tab is for categories. It shows different subjects, which is very helpful to all the fields of life. So we choose for example animals, so in which we see more categories of animals. So we feel more comfortable about our findings. In which we see for example birds, then you see beautiful images of birds. Then we check another category of images, then we choose business, then you see in which more categories there, that's easy to find. Although in this website huge image libraries are available for all the aspects of life. Then we check the video features, so we choose the editorial videos, in which you find the beautiful video templates, so if you want to see any video then go with mouse on them and they show how the scenes are there. So you get them this video and use them according to your need. In the top of this page you find another tab of creative videos, in which you see different creative videos. So go back to the video menu, then you find in the last categories tab, in which again you see different subjects of videos, so if we choose animals then you find beautiful videos of animals. So now we talk about the templates. So first of all we choose Instagram templates, so we go into templates menu, then choose social media, then choose Instagram and find Instagram templates. So in which you find different categories and beautiful Instagram posts, so you easily edit them and use them according to your need. Same like Instagram, we find Facebook templates on the templates menu, so find them and see beautiful Facebook posts, so edit them and use it according to your need. One more important part is logo design. So in this website we find in the templates menu, go to the marketing tab, then you find logo options, so click on them, so you find beautiful logo templates, so choose one of them, edit it and use it according to your requirements. So now we talk about the common needs. So if you wanna invite someone, don't worry, now in this website you can easily make beautiful invitation cards, and also according to the occasions. So we choose one of them to find beautiful invitation cards. So choose one of them and edit it. So now we show you how it can be edited. So on the left side you see the tabs of different adding options, so use them. So for example we add text, so choose from the text tab icon, then adjust it according to your minds. So in last, when you finalized your invitation card, then see on the top right you find option of download.
So download them, and when you click the download button, then one more beautiful option shows you and it says would you like to animate them. So if you click on keep, then your images convert into animation. So again, download it and use where you want. So in this feature you have many options of cards like party invitations and birthday invitations. So now we talk about one more beautiful feature of this website which fulfills most people's needs. So we talk about beautifully designed resumes. So for this purpose go to the templates tab and then click on the personal, then you find resume options, so click on them. Then you find different resume templates. So choose one of them, edit it, then you see your selected resume is available to edit, so change them according to your profile. Then on the top download option you can easily download it with different formats, so download it. So after that you again find options, so animate your resume, then if you want to do it then click keep button. Then your resume shows like animation, so download them into MP4 format and use it where you want. So in last, one more feature we introduce you is photo editor, in which you remove the background of the photo. So now we click on the edit photo option, then you find blank page open, then on the top you see add image option, and in the left menu you find uploads options. So if you want to upload image from your system, then click on them and edit it easily and download now and use it where you want. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos and shorts.